In this video, we will show you the steps to add billing for additional services through StackBill Portal. Expand the Service menu and click on Service option. Then click on Add Service button. Provide the name and description of this service. Then select the category as Additional Services and type as User-based. Under Domain menu, select the required username and click Save button. Specify the cost for this service and click Update button. Now this service cost will be added in the client invoice automatically. Thanks for watching this video. Please check the help section for more information.